Hi, we're going to take the derivative of a rational function using the definition, and then we're going to use the quotient rule to check our answer. First, let me share screen so you can see my writing. Okay, here's our function. F of x is x squared plus 1 over x. Although we can use the definition on this function as written, it's going to make our work a lot easier if we break it up and simplify it. Now, because I'm adding in the numerator, I can break it into two separate fractions and simplify x squared over x is x, and then just 1 over x. And then we're going to use this definition of the derivative. Now, to evaluate my function at x plus h, that means I'm going to replace both of these x's with x plus h. So we'll get x plus h plus 1 over x plus h. And then I need to subtract f of x. I'm using parentheses because I'm subtracting a sum, and I want to make sure that I subtract both of those. And then divide by h. Okay, we're going to distribute this negative. And these x's cancel out. Now, in order to combine these two fractions, I need to get a common denominator. They have no factors in common. X is a term, not a factor in this one. So I'm going to multiply this fraction by x over x, and this one by x plus h over x plus h. All over h. Okay, I can now subtract these. Remember, you're subtracting the entire numerator, so you'll get a negative x and a negative h. These x's also go away, and I'm left with this limit . Now I need to cancel this h in the denominator, so I'm going to factor an h out of both of these terms and rewrite it like this. Those cancel, and now I can take this limit. H can be 0, which gives me 1 minus 1 over x squared. And there's our derivative. Now, we would like to verify this result using the quotient rule on our original function. Recall our function is f of x is x squared plus 1 all over x. So using the quotient rule, f prime is the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over bottom squared. Okay, that gives me 2x squared. I'm going to distribute that negative, minus x squared minus 1 all over x squared. 2x squared minus x squared. And that's over x squared. And now I can simplify this. Again, I can break it up into two separate fractions so that it looks like our earlier result. I get 1 minus 1 over x squared, and that's what we were looking for. Okay, I hope that this helps, and I look forward to answering more questions for you. Take care.